Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Owen 16WD0. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Owen 16WD0 screen is flickering, you're not alone. This issue can be due to a variety of reasons, such as a failing display cable or a malfunctioning graphics driver. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more serious problems, including permanent screen damage or loss of functionality. So, let's get started on fixing this. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement display cable. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of your HP Owen 16WD0. Take care to keep them safe as you'll need them later. Next, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam of the back panel and carefully pry it open. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as this could damage the internal components. Once the back panel is removed, locate the display cable connected to the screen. This is usually a flat ribbon cable that may be secured with a small connector. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the connector gently with your fingers or the spudger. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement display cable and connect it to the same port. Ensure it is firmly in place but avoid applying excessive force. Once secured, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully align the back panel and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, which could cause damage. Finally, power on your HP Owen 16WD0 and check if the screen flickering issue has been resolved. If it is still present, further diagnosis may be needed. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly update your graphics drivers and handle your device with care to avoid any physical damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.